For 5 minutes. That's what it cost to become an astronaut for that time with Virgin Galactic. The operator is planning to put paying punters into space within 2 years from its New Mexico desert headquarters.
It's not quite a giant leap, but this spaceship could be a small step towards making space travel affordable.
It's obviously not finished at the moment, but the pilots will sit here and there'll be 6 passengers sitting 3 along each side of the spaceship. They'll be able to look out of these windows and see the blue sky of the Earth turning first purple and then into the blackness of space. They'll then get around 5 minutes floating in this cabin.
And whilst they're weightless, 70 miles above the Earth, this is the view they'll see. The astronauts will begin their journey here. It's the world's first purpose-built commercial spaceport and under construction in the New Mexico desert. They'll get 3 days of training before heading to space. The trip comes in 2 parts. First, this plane carries the spaceship up to 50,000 feet, higher than a normal plane, before dropping it in mid-air. The spaceship then fires its rocket motor and in less than a minute will be travelling at 2,500 miles per hour.
You know, the biggest challenge is, because we're in a test flight program, is not the actual flying of the vehicle. It's anticipating what could go wrong because it's a one-of-a-kind airplane.
Virgin claims the trips into space will have lower carbon emissions per passenger than a flight across the Atlantic, but it's still a lot of energy to use on a very short trip.
In the first year or two, the goal of this program is to carry, maybe thousands of people to space, so it's just a game changer, Everybody will know somebody that's been to space in the next 20 years,
Tickets, though, aren't cheap, but more than 400 people have already booked, and the work going on in this desert warehouse is likely to lead to rival ventures, and the price of heading into space getting cheaper.